Part 3 of our tutorial requires that we instruct our agent to place a redstone block to power on the circuit board next to us. We will be using a lot of what we learned in parts 1 and 2. When we open our code, we see a chat command block called place, and a block we haven't used yet. This is the agent set block. We can use it to add blocks to our agent's inventory. Right now, however, it would add a block of grass to the agent's inventory. Not what we need. You'll notice a little arrow next to the block. If we click that arrow, a drop-down menu appears with all of the blocks we can use. We need redstone to power the circuit board. It can be a little tricky to scroll through all the blocks to find what we need, so we can use the search bar at the top. Let's click on the block of redstone to select it. Now, we just need to tell the agent to place that block in front of its position. In the agent folder, we see an agent place block. Just what we need. Let's drag it into our chat command. We have to put it after the agent set block, or the agent won't have anything to place yet. We can now press play, open the chat, and type place. We can see and hear the circuit board powering up. In the next tutorial, we'll need to do a little cleaning to get things working.